everyone, welcome to our Nan Hua drumming session. In our session, we will use a simple way to teach you how to play Chinese drum. Today I'm going to teach you our third class of mixing. The first line is 1、3、4、6、7、7左左左右。1、3、4、6、7 is the same as 1、4、7. The difference is in between 1、3、4、6、7 there's a soft beat, and you also have to raise your hands up. Let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The next beat is 7左左左右. We already did on the previous video. Let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try to play the whole line using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is 1、3、4、6、7 右左左左右. Now that we already did 1、3、4、6、7 and 右左左左右, let's try to play both of them with the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. one. Now let's try to play it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We move to the fourth line. The fourth line is 1、3、4、6、7，右走走左右走，1、2、3、4。Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first, second, third, and fourth line, let's try to link them, play it twice on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. to know and play the beat. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button.